Hey guys, Satish and Gary here. I'm going to go and show you how to get started with Capture Pro. Now the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and register with the link that you were provided at the thank you page. Okay, go ahead and register properly. Make sure everything is nice and good. Now, once you have done that, there should also be a link to log in. And when you log in for the first time, this is what you'll see. Okay, it's going to say 0 contacts and 0 widgets. Now the first thing I want you to do is click on account settings. Now click on autoresponder settings. Now this is optional. Okay, this is again optional. Now if you have one of these autoresponders, you can enable it. Just click on enable. And if you don't know how to find these APIs, all I want you to do is just click on it and just Google it, to be honest. And there's always an article how to find it. Okay, this is optional. You do not have to do this to get started, but you do have an option of this. Okay, now let's go and actually get to the fun part, widgets. Now I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go and click on create widget. Now go ahead and name your widget. I'm going to call this widget, I don't know, test ABCD. Now it's going to ask you for a widget theme. Now it could be pink, green, orange, black, or red. Now we are going to add more colors to it, soon. But if you have a specific color that you want us to add, open a ticket and let us know. But these are theme that we have tested and they have converted very, very well. Now, for example, we added purple, right? It didn't convert well. So the system is actually designed in a way so that you're gonna increase your conversion. So these themes that you see, they work the best. Now if you want something ridiculous, open the tickets and let us know and we'll see what we can do. Okay, but these work the best. Now as you know, it's pretty easy. So headline, text, so this goes on the top, on the bottom. So what I recommend you do is just, just leave it like this. Okay, this is going to appear on the side. So let me show you an example. Okay, so for example, on this one, so this is the header. This is the second part, as you saw it right here. Right, first part, second part, button, and this is the no thank you. For a note, close modal button, try to add something, negative. For example, I don't want to be rich. I don't want the money. No, I'm smarter than this. The reason I want you to do that is because that's going to help you out because visitors don't like to click on those things, okay? They feel attached to words. Okay, so as humans, we cling to things, right? So they don't want to click on those things. So mess with them emotionally. Okay, success message is thank you for subscribing, whatever you want, it's up to you. This is a default text. You can modify it as you see best. Modal field, I don't know why you would disable these, but you can. Now a couple things. Show after. Now this one, keep in mind that show after. So if you want to show that pop up right after 1 second, put 1 second. After 5 seconds, put 5 seconds. Now if you put 0, what's going to happen is it will only show up when people are trying to exit the page. Okay, now this one is if you put in, I don't know, let's put in 10 seconds, right? Let's say someone comes to your site and they don't do anything, they're just there. Okay, it's gonna show up this big box after 10 seconds. Okay, now this one is for the scrolling model. It's a scrolling one. So this one basically you're gonna put in 50%. So if you put 50%, it's basically going to, if people are scrolling down. So for example, let me show you an example. Scroll one right here. So okay, 50%, it's a very short thing. So 50% it's gonna show up. Now it's up to you how early or how late do you want to show it. And if you put 0, it's not gonna show up. Okay, it's up to you. Now this widget is actually the widget that goes right here. So you can actually change this up as you see fit. Very simple, very easy. It's up to you. Okay, perfect. You can change the location. If you want to hide the button, you can right here. Okay, cool. Now next, go to widgets. You're gonna go ahead and click. You can preview it if you want. Okay, it's not gonna show you. It's gonna show you just this basic thing. Click on get code. Okay. Now next, what you will do is you can copy one of these codes. So the first code is for. Let me explain it to you. First code is for the full screen. Second one is for inline, meaning, let me show you an example. So inline is you put it on, like, in the middle of a post, like that. Okay. So those are the codes. Now, where do you copy and paste it? Let me show it to you. Now, if you want the pop-up to show up every single time, here's what you need to do. Go to, if you're on WordPress, right? Now, keep in mind, if you are using another software, just put it under between header, okay? Between header, okay? Head tags. In our case for WordPress, click on settings, appearance, click on editor. Now, this is only if you want it to appear on every single page, okay? Go to header.php, you'll find it every single time, okay? And paste it, see the head? It's in between, right? So just paste it somewhere here. I pasted it here, okay? And that's all you have to do. Now, if you want to just have this on a specific page, then here's what you need to do, okay? Let's pretend we have a page. Click on, make sure not visual, click on text, paste it at the end, like this. Just copy it and just paste it, depending on which one you want, right? Same thing with any of it, inline or scrolling. If you put it in the header or footer, it's going to show up on every single page, right? You understand that. So, but if we can put it on a specific page, let's put it here. This is an inline. See, it showed up right here. Simple, perfect. And that's pretty much it. And when you start getting leads, you'll see it in contacts, and you can always export it to CSV. Now, what else? Go to widgets. Now, if you do have autoresponders, you're going to go to autoresponders, and you'll be able to add it first, and you'll be able to select your list here. Okay. And that is pretty much it. Good luck and have fun. Oh, one more thing. If you're a reseller, you'll see this. If you're not a reseller, you won't see this. Okay. Click on accounts. Very simple, very easy. Ignore this. Okay. Ignore the SMS part. That is for future. Just ignore it for right now. Okay. All this. So all you need to do is click on this thing, create account. Okay. Just go and create put in a name, email, phone number if you have one. If you don't, just put 000. Put a package. Okay. 10 widgets, unlimited widgets. Now, if you need a specific widget, go ahead and contact us by opening up a ticket. Okay. That's pretty much it, guys. You guys enjoy the platform. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions or anything, remember, geargroup.net. Just go to the website. Make sure you read this first, how to file a ticket.